Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. In this video you will learn how to make a thumbnail for your video in just small time. After watching this video completely, you will be able to make a killer thumbnail for your video in just 1 minute. Yes, you are listening right. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I am using Canva because it is very simple and fast. If you want tutorial on any other app or software, just comment down below. Okay, so here you can see there are different templates on the first layer. You might want to try on the heading. There is YouTube thumbnail. If you are unable to find this YouTube thumbnail, you have to just scroll down and see how many different styles are there, different templates are there for college photos, for Facebook posts, for posters, for covers. And here you will find YouTube thumbnails. Here you go. So you can see there are so many YouTube thumbnail. You have to just click on see all, and boom, here you go. There are so many beautiful thumbnails that you can use for your video. Here you can see there are so many different templates, different categories are there. If you want to choose any one of them, you can just do it. If you want any specific design or any specific category, you can just go into the search option and search that thumbnail. For example, I'm going to search gaming YouTube thumbnail, and you can and just click on the search button, and boom, here you go. There are so many different designs that you can use for your video. Okay, so you can see there are some of them are paid versions, but I am using Canva for free, so I'll go with the free version. You can select you can see that there are different types of templates. Okay, so let me choose one, and I think the upper yellow one was good one as free version. Okay, so let me choose this one, and your design will be loaded in just seconds. Yes, okay, so it's loading, and here you go, your design is ready in just a minute. It is done in front of your eyes. It is doing live. Okay, so you can see your design is ready. If you want to change anything, if you want to change the text, just click on that text and click on edit button, and your keyboard will be loaded, and you can change the text in as you want. For example, I'm changing this text, and for to PUBG live gaming. Okay, so let me change this first, and this one as well. Okay, so this is, I am done with the text. If you want to change the position of the text, you have to just click on the text and click on the 4 arrows, and the position of the text will be changed in any direction you want. You can rotate the text as well, you can resize the text as well, and you can do any changes that you want. Okay, so if you want to change the picture of the car, okay, so you have to just click on that picture, and then you have to click on replace. Okay, so you will be directed toward your gallery. You can click on any photo, and then it will be shifted to uploads, and you can select from there as well. If you want online photos, so you have to just click on these photos, and here you can see there are so many new photos loaded in just a second. You can use any of them. Majority of them are free to use. If you want any specific photo, so you can just type in and hit search button. Okay, so these all are pro. Let me choose any other category or any other tag that is free to use. Just click on that photo, click on replace, and I'm going to search game, for example. Okay, so here you can see there are so many different photos loaded in just a second. You can use any of them. Majority of them are free to use, and let me select one photo that suits with this thumbnail. Okay, so I think this one. So I think this one suits with the thumbnail, and here you go. This photo is loaded in just seconds. If you want to change the background color of this thumbnail, so you can do that by clicking on background, and then click on colors. You can see you can add any color that you want from these options. Let me choose one color that suits with this thumbnail very good. Okay, so I think blue one will be good with this. Okay, so I will go with this color. If you can see there are many different options. You can animate, you can rotate the text, you can lock the design, and there are many more options that you can do. If you are done with your design, you have to just click on the download button up above, and your video, your picture, your thumbnail will be downloaded in just seconds. Okay, so your design is downloading now. Okay, so preparing your design, and here you go, your design is ready in just second in front of you. You can share your design with your friends. Now your design is saved to gallery. If you want tutorial on any other app or any other software, you can just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our